better work on my Rubik's Cube skill. Let me see, where is my Rubik's Cube? Can't seem to find it. I bet the dog must have hid it someplace. I better call the dog detective. What is his name? Let me see. Let me think. What's the dog's detective's name? Is that Alex? No, that's not it. That's Alexander the Great. Must call him right away.
Yes, yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Is this Alexander the Great?
Yes.
Pet detective?
Yes.
Well, I think my dog has taken my Rubik's Cube and I need your help to find it. Could you please come here? But before you come, how much do you charge for your services? That's too much. $5? Oh, I don't think I can manage that. How about if I give you 5 rupees? Where I come from, they have rupees. So I'll give you 5 rupees. Is that okay? Okay. All right. Now let's see. How much is really 5 rupees worth? It's about 12 cents. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right. Then you can come over and help me find my Rubik's Cube for 12 cents. But if you don't find the Rubik's Cube, then you owe me 12 cents. Is that okay too? Boy, that's a great detective. Okay, well, I hope you don't find the Rubik's Cube. That way I get 12 cents from you. Come on over.
We'll be there right away.
We better get there soon.
Come on in. You must be Alexander the pet detective.
Yep.
Who is your partner?
Her name is she's my assistant. Her name is Olivia.
Oh, okay. Now you know, I agreed to pay you only 12 cents. So if you find the Rubik's Cube, you will owe her half of 12 cents.
Which is 11.
So how much is half of 12 cents?
11.
Oh, I don't think so. Okay, you owe her 11 cents, then you will be left with only 1 cent.
No, I'll be 11 cents too.
Well, that means I have to give you 22 cents.
So that's 22 cents.
No.
Half of 12 is?
6.
Okay, well that's good. But now, if you don't find the Rubik's Cube,
No.
then you owe me 12 cents, and your partner also owes me 12 cents. Is that okay?
Yes.
Well, you didn't ask your partner if she's willing to part with 12 cents. She said okay? All right, let's go. Go find my Rubik's Cube.
Right.
All right.
Where do you think the dog could have hid it? Somewhere high. Let's
Or
look
low.
high and low. Don't tell, and let's go look everywhere. We could possibly find it.
Sir, this is a case only we can do.
You
Are you
bet.
sure you want to do all of these things?
Yes. Let's do it.
You can write down notes.
Let's see where it might. Let's figure out some places where it might be. Dennis says the mystery problem is solved. We're done.
Yes, it could be anywhere. up here either.
Or over here.
Who is there?
Alex the detective.
Alexander the pet detective?
Yep.
Okay, come on in. I hope you found my Rubik's Cube. If you didn't find it, don't bother to come in.
Oh.
Wow! That's very good. Now, you just didn't go to a store and buy one, did you, to replace it?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Where did you find it in my house? Where?
Bye, Kumar.
Who is Kumar?
Your dog.
My dog named Kumar?
Yeah.
Now, who would name dog Kumar?
You.
You know what Kumar means?
Prince.
Wow, your partner knows more about India than even I do. Very good. Okay, I owe you guys 12 cents. Well, I think, you know what? I owe both of you 12 cents each. Can I give you an IOU?
Okay. Okay.
You know what an IOU is,
No.
Detective Alexander?
No.
Okay. Well, then I guess we won't worry about it. IOU meaning I will give it to you later. Okay? Is that okay with you?
Okay.
Good job. Very good job. Thank you.
Lulu, where do you think our next detective fun is going to
I don't know, sir, but I hope it will be sometime soon. I'm getting bored of just sitting here waiting for calls.
be? Me too. What? Well, here we go.
Hello? Okay.
We're coming
All right.
right away.
We'll be there right away.